Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and we are vlogging today. I'm super excited. This is a week in my life vlog, and I decided to put all of these things together, all of the clips together, and drop it on here. I hope you guys like it. This is my beautiful client. Her name is Uwa. Uwa is a fashion designer here in Benin City, Nigeria. She designs and makes clothes for events, parties, whatever. She's your plug, and she turned +1 on Saturday, so she came into the studio to get her face beat, and we did justice to that. And let's talk about the dress. Oh my god, she made these two beautiful dresses for herself. If you're following me on Instagram, you probably have seen pictures already. I mean, she has the body, the attitude, the dress, the glitz, the glamour, everything was just so on point. Check my description box for details for her accessories, the headband and the earrings and everything she has on, like her accessories. I will leave the link to the vendor she got them from in my description box. This is her assistant. Everybody was just trying to get her ready, so yeah, I followed her to the studio so I can get some of this footage, and it was just so beautiful to watch, the process and the transition and everything. You guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this dress. I think it's beautiful. I love the concept, I love the glitter, I love everything about it. But let me know your thoughts below in the comment section. All right, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below, hit the bell beside it so you always get notification every time we upload new videos like this. All right, so I'm gonna shut up now, let you guys watch the rest part of the video. Don't do your dance. All right, so this is one random day, another random day. I went out, to work, and on my way back, I stopped by my friend's office, and we decided to come to one more to get cake for somebody. And while we're here, she remembered that the last time she came and bought sandwich, she didn't like it was spoiled. And instead of the sales attendant to apologize, she kept asking us stupid questions like, when did you buy it? Are you sure you bought it from here? Like, are you serious? Are you trying to say that she's blind, or she doesn't know what she's doing, or she's stupid? I keep saying this every time, yeah, to brands and companies. Like, if you know you're selling something that people would eat, and be sure that the person you're putting there that's attending to people is very customer friendly, because she was just being outrightly rude and talking rubbish. Now that can mark or make your business, because they will determine whether your business will retain customers or not. Anyway, I loved all these cakes on display, and I'm hoping one day I'll just come here and buy all of them. And they are very cheap. Look at that, 280 naira. So cheap, man. Hey y'all, so here's a quick Sunday get ready with me. I'll be using that brown as my first eyeshadow color. I will be using a fluffy brush to pack that on my eyelid and blend as I go. Next, I'll spray some setting spray on another brush while I pick up this shimmery color, and I'll transfer that on my lid as well, because the first color I added was matte and I wanted something shiny, so I'm just going to put that there. Now I'm using my Saron eyeliner on my waterline. And after that, I will proceed to draw my brows. I'm using this brow pencil from Younger Beauty. This is the brow lotion pencil. I like that. It's a retractable pencil. It comes with a spoolie on one end and the pencil on the other end. So it's very easy to work with. So I'm not doing any serious defined eyebrows. I'm just, trying to fill in any sparse areas, because as you can see, I already have like a lot of brow hairs, so I don't want to overpaint this. So I'm just slightly going through, and now I'm just cleaning the bottom part with some concealer, and I will blend the excess downwards and further blend with my hands so that I have like a clean canvas. So now I'm using my Zaron face definer 3-in-1. I'm using the bronzer to give my face a little bit of glow. I absolutely love this because it's like the glow is coming from within my skin. So beautiful. And I'm using this fan brush to apply that on the high points of my face, especially the areas where I know light would hit. And yeah, next thing I'm doing is using our Zaron lengthening mascara for my bottom and top lashes, and to sort of like help open my eyes a little bit. And yeah, the next thing I would do is to go over with a lip gloss. I already lined my lip off camera. I was using the Zaron lip liners. Now I'm using this MAC Sheen lip gloss in Missy, and my hair is looking crazy. All right, so I found a way to tame this hair down, and we're done. Thank you all so much. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Oh, before I forget, setting spray. You need a setting spray to lock in your makeup in place, and I use my beauty blender to press that in the skin, and looking like a fine girl. Hi everybody, happy Sunday. So I'm here with another makeup tutorial for Sunday service. So I know the last one I did last Sunday, a lot of people liked it, so today I'm doing another one. So my skin is already clean and fresh from I just came out of the shower, and now I'm using my Zaron skin regenerating hydrating serum. I absolutely love this. So I just have a few pumps on my hand, and I'm going to gently massage this into my skin. So this is a great skin prep, like it's your #1 skin prep for makeup if you're starting out at all, because sometimes some of this face wash that we use can dry out your skin, and so you need to put back some more moisture to your skin, just in case, before you go ahead and do your makeup, because you don't want to do makeup on dry skin. Alright, so my skin already feels very soft, and mind you, I didn't put anything on my skin. I didn't use my body lotion on my face because it's not really advisable, except that the cream stays for face and body. But most times we realize that the lotion you use on your body, it can be very thick, and your skin don't need anything that will clog, your face doesn't need anything that will clog your pores. So you want to use a moisturizer that's lightweight, that's easy for your skin to absorb. So yeah, and the skin regenerating hydration serum is just amazing. I've been getting compliments about my skin lately. Like, yeah, that's what it does. Honestly, a good moisturizer is supposed to enhance your skin complexion, not turn you from black to fair, but it just gives you this bright look, and that's what I've been loving since I've been using it. And I'm using my face definer. I will use the setting powder here to sort of like set my brows, so that I can start drawing it. Alright, so for my brows, I'll be using the Younger Beauty pencil, and because this is like a minimal makeup, I would not be defining this brow as much. I'm just looking for open spaces where I feel like I need to correct, so I would just use a pencil to do that, and then brush down the brow hairs once I'm done. Then I'll go over with my brow gel, to tame the brows in place, because sometimes your brow hairs can be unruly, and a brow gel is just like the best thing to use to tame your brows. As you can see me doing right there, I'll flip the pencil to the other side and further press this brow gel into the brows, and my brows will pretty much stay like this all day. Now there are a lot of options that you can go for when it comes to lips, but I decided to use this tinted lip balm and go over my lip with the lip liner. I just love the vibe, and you can do a gloss if you want. It doesn't really matter since you've decided to keep every other thing simple with your makeup. And I'm just going to pop on some mascara, and that's the end of this look, you guys. And it's also the end of this vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you learned a thing or two, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.